Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today's journey blasts us into the world of nanobots, tiny robots that might unlock immortality. Buckle up, because science fiction is getting real. In my previous video, I have briefly discussed the many ways we can achieve immortality. Go check it out. Today, I'm going to explain one of the potential key points, the nanobots, which exist unlike other options that are far-fetched option. We could see some potential breakthroughs by 2050. Today, we are going to discuss a little bit of origin and history, how they works, and lastly, how it will assist in immortality. Origin. So the idea of nanobots was given by Albert Hibbies, a graduate student of Richard Feynman, the father of nanotechnology. The major breakthrough came when in 1985 fullerene was discovered. How it works. So, how would these microscopic marvels function? Nanobots would be programmed to patrol your body relentlessly, acting as microscopic physicians. They'd identify damaged cells and mend them, combat viruses and bacteria before they could cause illness, and even deliver medication precisely where it's needed. Imagine them as microscopic mechanics, ensuring your body operates like a finely tuned machine. So how they would do all of these? Well, nanobots use nanosensors to sense certain types of chemicals or molecules, and they move there. However, they are still in the research phase. You can imagine it like a puzzle that will only fit in a specific spot. Nanobots move due to different reasons like chemical propulsion, using chemicals like enzymes, catalysts to navigate in a certain environment. For example, a nanobot coated with urease enzyme can navigate itself toward the bladder via hydrolysis of urea by inducing fluid flow. Magnetic propulsion. Well, as its name suggests, it uses an external magnetic field to navigate. This is a popular method due to it being easy. Motor-driven movement. Well, simply these nanobots are shaped such that they can move mechanically. Or in simple words, you can imagine a spring motor in the toys. It's kind of like that, etc. But that's not all. Nanobots could potentially reverse the aging process. They could eliminate harmful toxins that accumulate in our cells over time and even stimulate our DNA to repair itself. Sounds like science fiction? Perhaps not. Visionaries like futurist Ray Kurzweil believe this could become a reality by 2030. Now here comes the main question: how it will help us achieve immortality? Number 1. Medical treatment. Nanobots and nanotechnology are being developed extensively in the field of medicine, especially targeting diseases like cancer, AIDS, etc. Nanobots can deliver meds to specific regions of our body in the most efficient way. It can fight viruses or target damaged cells, prevent any foreign harmful substances from entering the body, essentially helping what our white blood cells do, but in a more efficient way. For example, eliminating cancer cells or tampering DNA of a deadly virus. All of these can be achieved. Number 2. Increasing lifespan. In the future, nanobots will be able to remove toxins from our cells and rejuvenate them, thus increasing the lifespan. They might be able to trigger specific hormones, which is responsible for producing new cells, healing factors, and many more. Number 3. Removing toxins. With nanobots, we might be able to remove toxins and other harmful elements from our bodies. Number 4. High-precision surgeries. With nanotechnology, we will able to do surgeries very precisely. We might replicate other organs with more durable and super realistic ones. One step closer to becoming a cyborg. Challenges. Naturally, there are obstacles to overcome before we transform into immortal cyborgs. Constructing and programming these minuscule robots is akin to building a computer the size of a grain of rice. We're not there yet. Safety concerns also exist. What if the nanobots malfunction? What if they start replicating uncontrollably? What if some people have full control of these nanobots? We might become slaves. The thought of tiny machines zooming around inside us can be somewhat disconcerting. What are your thoughts on nanobots and the prospect of immortality? Would you choose to live forever if given the opportunity? Share your views in the comments below, and let's kickstart a fascinating discussion. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more captivating science content. Until next time.